Let's talk about shading. Shading is the same thing as value, which also has to do with tone. So at the top of your piece of paper, please write the word shading, value, and tone. These are all synonymous with one another, okay? So we're going to make two long bars here. It's okay if they're not even. It's okay if they're not exactly the same shape. But what I want to talk about is how to create a shade, a value, or tone. Okay, one way to do it is called hatching. I'm going to write that down here at the top. And with hatching, your lines are parallel towards one another. And as they get further away and lighter, you are creating a dark to light gradation. So the lines are fewer and further apart when you're doing hatching, and the gradation is like an ombre effect, where it is a gradual descent from light to dark or dark to light. And it's gradual in that it's not abrupt. So it's not a stopped line and a started line. It looks like it's a transition that smoothly goes from dark to light, okay? So this is hatching, and now we're going to do cross hatching. These lines all run parallel. We're going to start off the exact same way. And I'm going to go back on top again. And now I'm going to go perpendicular, which is at a 90-degree angle. And I'm going to do the same thing. And you'll notice that the value down here will be darker than the value here because we have twice as many lines. And when they go perpendicular and they overlap, you can create an even darker value. Again, this is a gradation, and I'm going to write the word gradation at the bottom as well, so we understand that both of these are gradating from a dark to a light or from a light to a dark, depending on how you start. If you're heavy-handed, I recommend you start with a dark and gradually go into a lighter tones, opposed to starting light and going to dark, because that way you can loosen up the pressure, and so you're not applying as much, and it will go very gradually from a dark to a light, opposed to a light to a dark. And that's it.